everyone, welcome to Stay at Home Mom Shenanigans. Thank you so much for joining this video. Today I'm gonna be cleaning up the kitchen. We just finished up dinner, and so I'm just gonna clean up a little bit and neaten up, and then I'm gonna try out a new recipe for a 0-point sweet treat. I've never made it before, but I thought I would take you guys along to try it out with me and see if it's any good. Okay guys, now that the kitchen is pretty decently clean, I'm gonna go ahead and make my apple chip sweet treat. I'm not really sure what it's gonna be because I haven't ever made it before, but I'm gonna show you guys how I make it and let you know how it is. It's gonna be 0 points. I'm gonna use an apple, and I'm gonna slice it thin, a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and just a little sprinkle of some no-calorie sweetener. I'm gonna toss it all together in a bowl, and then I'm gonna put it in the air fryer on 350. My friend made this, so it's not like an exact recipe, but she said she was cooking hers for almost 30 minutes, so I will keep you guys updated if that's how it turns out, for how long I do it. But she said it was about 12 minutes. She's turned it around a little bit, another 12 minutes, turned it around a little bit. And then she wanted hers pretty crispy, so she did it again. So we'll see if it really takes a full 30 minutes or not, but I will let you guys know. Okay, so I'm checking these a little bit early. It's only gone about 6 minutes. I'm gonna turn it off. But I'm a little bit concerned because they are looking really crispy, or burnt at least. So I think now is a good time to do a little taste test and see if they're any good, if I should keep cooking them even though they're brown. I don't know if that's the cinnamon making them brown or if they're burnt. So let's taste it. Oh, that's good. Actually, the crispy part, oh yeah, that's really good. The crispy part is actually really good. Let's try one that's a little more crispy. See if I should leave it in a little longer. These are really good. You know what? I think I'm gonna be done with these because I don't want them to get overdone. So some of them are a little bit like floppy, where some of them are a little bit more like a chip. So that's gonna be up to you, like how long you wanna cook them for. But I'm gonna leave mine like this and put them on a plate and eat them all up, and it's gonna be 0 points. So if you guys have ever made something like this and you enjoyed it, or you have any ways that I could tweak the recipe that you think would make it more enjoyable, please let me know in the comments. Just let me know what you should change or how I should make them differently. My friend said that she did it like this 3 times. So she put it in for 12 minutes, 12 minutes, 12 minutes. And she was able to like shake her basket. It wasn't working like that for me, so I just kind of flipped them around. But it looks like 12 minutes and then 6 minutes was good for me. So you'll have to let me know what you guys do, but I hope you enjoy this recipe and I hope you give it a try for yourself because it was super simple and it's 0 points, which is awesome. I hope you guys got a little bit of cleaning motivation out of me cleaning up my kitchen. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like or a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.